Hello dear viewers, today I have published a new video for you discussing voice sense. I have already published another video related to voice sense. I have discussed what is voice sense, classification of voice sense, and rules of changing active into passive and passive into active. Today I will discuss some important question and answer, active into passive and passive into active. Let us discuss the problems. 71. Let a song be sung by her. Let a song be sung by her. It is passive voice, active voice. Let her sing a song. There is a problem. Let, function of let. Sometimes let means to give permission. Here let is used to give permission. Let a song be sung by her. There is her and song. A song is subject here because it is passive voice, and her is object here because it is passive voice by plus object. Sung past participle, song noun, sing, sang, sung. Be sung, let be plus past participle of main verb, the passive voice, but the function of let is different here. How? If the sentence is sing a song, active voice, what will be sing a song? Make it passive. Let a song be sung. There is no she or her. Sing a song, imperative sentence. Let a song be sung. This let and this let is not similar let. Let a song be sung by her. What will be active voice? Let her sing a song. Let will not be changed here. Next, 72. Couldn't they help you now? Passive voice. Interrogative sentence. Could, modal verb. So there will be could not be or couldn't be plus past participle of main verb. What will be? Couldn't they help you now? Couldn't you be helped now by them? What will be? Couldn't you be helped now by them? Next number. Number 73. Who should you help? Who should you help? Who is subject here? Should, modal verb. You help, you object, help main verb. So, who should you help? What will be? Who will be? By whom? By whom should you be helped? Okay. By whom should you be helped? Note of interrogation. Next, 74. Let your computer be connected to. Let your computer be connected to internet. The passive voice and let. There is let. This let and this let. Number 71 and number 74. There are two let. There is let and there is let. 71. Number 71 there is let, and number 74 there is let. This let and this let is not similar let. This let is started active voice and passive voice, but this let is only used in passive voice, not active voice, because there is imperative sentence and only your computer is subject object. Here subject and it will be object, and you second person is silent here. So let your computer be connected to internet by you. There is no by you, because in imperative sentence second person may be silent. Let your computer be connected to internet. What will be active voice? Connect your computer to internet. What will be? Connect your computer be to internet. Connect your computer to internet is active voice. Okay, so number 71 and number 75, there is let also, there is let, but the function of let is different here. 75. He was selected Prime Minister by the citizen. Active voice. He was selected Prime Minister. Select, elect, made, nominate. It is factative verb, and if there is factative verb, there is complementary object Prime Minister. So Prime Minister will be retained there. It will be retained object, and complementary object will not be subject. It will be in the same position. Okay, so what is subject here? The citizen will be subject. By plus object, by will be omitted, citizen will be subject. Citizen selected him Prime Minister. What will be? Citizen, the citizen selected him, he will be him Prime Minister. Okay, the citizen selected him Prime Minister, because it is past indefinite tense. Next, 76. The mango tastes sour. Passive voice. Mango tastes, tastes, quasi passive verb. Taste, feel, smell, seem. So this taste, quasi passive means semi passive, half passive. So subject will not be changed. The mango will be same. Mango will not be changed. Mango will be the mango as subject will not be changed. The mango is tasted sour, or the mango is sour when it is tasted. We can do this voice in two ways. The mango is tasted sour, or the mango is sour when it is tasted. Next, number 77. Whom was the letter being sent yesterday by you? Active voice. Present, past continuous tense, because there is was, being plus past participle of main verb. So past participle of main verb, so it is past continuous tense. And passive voice, in active voice, what will be? Whom was the letter being sent yesterday by you? Whom did you send the letter yesterday? What will be? Whom did you say? Whom was the letter sending you yesterday? Whom was the letter sending you yesterday? What will be passive voice? Active voice. Whom was the letter sending you yesterday?